You're welcome.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. As a last example, let's start homework 5, which is a bit tricky. Mr. Largo is giving somebody a $100 wedding present, and they managed to invest it at 11% annual compound interest for 30 years, and then something happens. So for now, we are going to ignore all of that other stuff. Don't worry about the rest of the problem yet. We're using the same compound interest formula that we just did. And like we just did, we're going to keep track of things because that's where the complications will happen. So the principal is $100. What kind of compounding is it? Is it compounded monthly again? This time it's much nicer. This time it's compounded annually. Oops. So only once a year, which matches up to the numbers we're given, so we don't have to fiddle. So the rate per payout is going to be 0.11 from 11%, with moving twice to the left to get out of percent. And we don't have to do anything. It is per year, and we want it per year because it's annually compounded. And how many payouts? 30 years. And again, the time frame is what we want. We don't have to do any times 12s or funkiness. So now we can plug everything in. As before, if I'm adding 1 to a tiny number, I don't actually need parentheses. I just put a 1 in front of it. I'm getting $2,289.23. So much for the first part. Now let's keep going. So we are right here. Then the sibling adds an extra $10,000. So our principal now, how much we're starting part 2 with, is the 2,289.23. Plus this extra 10,000 that they're adding on. So that's going to be $12,289.23. And they move all of that to a different investment that earns 4% per year. For 10 years. Now I need to hunt in the problem. What kind of compounding is it? Is it compounded monthly? Is it compounded annually? So this is, again, annual compound interest. So I don't need to do any sort of weird divided by 12 times 12 stuff here. So I'll plug it in. And I'm not going to actually do that right now because I'm not doing all of your homework for you. But this can be a good way to finish up your looking at the videos and see if you get an answer that's on the multiple choice answer key.